2020, and we got back from the market with our 3 pineapple. I want to show you how that you can ripen them even when they are green, even though some say that you can't. And I didn't want to buy them like this. That's how they are, guys. They're green. Don't like the idea. I like them at least half yellow, but they aren't. I had to get what I could get. Okay, here's the third. Ta-da! Very little bit of yellow starting. So I just put them in a paper bag. Voila! Take a clothespin, keep it dark. Take another clothespin. And there they are. And I will get back with you in 5 days. It might take 7 because these are really, really green. 20, and we got these last Thursday, and today is Tuesday, and it's been 5 days, so it's time for me to check on them and see if they're ripe. If I have one at least ripe enough that we can eat, because these were really way too green, but they didn't have anything better. So idealistically, I like a lot of yellow on the pineapple. Now this one here, it is starting to change color. It's not as green, okay? This one here is starting to turn. You see the green up toward the top. It ripens from the bottom. You can see this part here is ripening up. But this is not ready. It's too much green, so that's a no. This one, way too much green, although it's starting to ripen a little. So I'm going to leave these in the bag another couple days and then check on them. Hey guys, this is 6 days since we bought this last Thursday. Today is Wednesday. And see how it has gotten much better. There's hardly any green on it now, so it's ready to go. I'm going to line this up with the center, and you want to try to keep it from going crooked as best you can. It's going crooked. It's not going to work. Got that sucker going crooked. So I did the very thing I said not to do. Okay, now it's hard to turn, so I'm not going to try to go any further than that. So now I'm going to cut down on each side. I've got a plate under it to catch the juice. Okay, now I just take, when this sticks in here like this, I just take the spoon, a wooden spoon, and just hit that to get that out. If you end up throwing that away, how much you're going to be wasting. And I don't really see anybody else doing it this way, but I take and I scrape this out. And the juice is, I'm catching the juice in the plate. So then you got yourself crushed pineapple. Now there's how much I've got so far, guys, and I still haven't got it all out. So that gives you an idea. And then you still have this juice on the plate that you don't want to waste. So that's it, guys.